Really quick, want to let you guys know I'm running a huge sale. Shirts, $15. Anyone that buys a rug will get both shirts for free. Link will be down below. Guys, Adidas decided to just bless me out the blue. Say what's up to your people. Go to your bed. Good boy. So, blast from the past, guys. Like what, 2015, 2016, the year of NMDs. Like I just remember when you couldn't even get a pair anywhere. They were sold out everywhere, going for crazy money. Like the Japan knit, just, man, nostalgia. That was such a good time. Honestly, I would say early 2000, like from 2010 to like 2016 was such a great time for, you know, the era of just the basketball shoes. And man, I know a lot of you guys missed that time as well. It was definitely special. But anyway, today I ended up just getting a random package. I had no idea who this was from. I opened it and I saw an Adidas box and I was like, End plastic waste I saw in the box and I was really confused. Then I looked at the box, I saw NMD V3. And I was like, okay. There was no note in the box and I finally opened it up and realized, oh, here we go. Got this card, you guys can see NMD V3, made out to yours truly, Michael. Hi, Michael. That's hilarious that they didn't call me Mike, they called me Michael. They must be family. We hope you enjoy your new NMD V3 from your Adidas Originals family. Okay. So clearly still on the seating list, man. It's crazy to think like this is what I do for a living. A lot of people are like, oh, what do you do? I do YouTube or I review sneakers. It's crazy. So let's talk about these. So retail is normally $160. If you are interested in these, I saw they were on sale. You can get them for like $128. And it is interesting to see that they came out with the previous colors, like the OG original NMDs, but obviously they made it through a version 3. And here they are. When they say version 3, man, they really mean version 3. This pair is so different than any other NMD. Well, I guess there's only been 2, but they definitely changed it up, man. We have this nice mesh throughout the upper, kind of like this almost like silicone plastic on the side with the 3 stripes. I'm just assuming based on the end plastic waist that from the Adidas event that I went to like back in 2018, they made a lot. Adidas has been making a lot of sneakers in plastic waste, and I think that's really cool. A lot of brands are pushing towards eco-friendly, and I mean, they have to. Now, obviously, I've already unboxed the shoes and tried them on, and I'll tell you guys off the rip, go true to size. I wouldn't go up a size, I wouldn't go down half a size, just go true. I think it'd be really solid with that. Another thing that I find really interesting, you guys know like the previous NMDs, similar to socks, it was literally like wearing socks. These actually have their own separate tongue, which in my opinion makes these not only lifestyle shoes, but a good option for the gym, just because now you can tighten them as much as you want. You know, previous shoes when you're running on the treadmill or doing any type of physical activity, so when you try to take off, your shoes will come flying off. So I do really like that about the version 3. Another thing is comfortability. These, I almost feel like they added more boost. Like, these are extremely boosted, I want to say. Like, I mean, you can kind of see how thick the boost is in this. I'm doing this on the fly, so I don't know the exact mechanics of this version 3, but I will do an update video. I feel like I need to wear these and then give you guys kind of final thoughts about it. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. I'm gonna make it regardless. I'm gonna go ahead and test these out for a few weeks, and then I'll give you guys kind of an update. But I mean, you can even see how solid the sole is. Previous models, like you could, oh. Yeah, you gotta put some oomph into it. They don't just bend easily. Now, one thing I was wondering, I don't know if this is necessarily a new colorway. I couldn't find it on their website, but trust me, I didn't look that hard. They have a lot of different colors and options. I love kind of the infrared crimson look. Even the all white pair is clean. I know Mary would probably really love those. Shoot, I would even love them. Other than that, yeah, I mean, simple, straight to the point. I'll give you guys an on foot. I do see the Parley ID in here, so I'm assuming that when I actually got to work with Adidas and go to their event, they had the Parley shoes that were made from ocean plastic. So yeah, even on the insole, it does say Adidas made with Parley ocean plastic. End plastic waist, the brand with 3 stripes. Insole comes right out. I can't even pick it up with the camera because the white on white, but It does say that on the insole. Huge thank you to Adidas, man. I definitely appreciate you guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop a comment down below for the update video. I'm gonna go ahead and try these out a little bit and, you know, kind of give you a full in-depth review and breakdown and what I like and what I don't like. I'm always worried about sneakers with tabs like this because sometimes they can dig into your ankle. So we'll see if that is a thing. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.
Hands in the air.